Hi, it's James at Workshop Software. How you doing? Hey, really pumped. We've got some exciting things going on at the moment, which is next year we're going to put on a user conference. It's actually going to be our first user conference that we've ever put on. So we're really excited and really looking forward to it. It's going to be in early March next year. All the details are on the website. Love you to come. What we're going to do is we're going to do an early bird offer. So if you use the coupon code EARLY, E-A-R-L-Y, you can get a significant discount off your purchase price of the tickets. So jump in there now, book your tickets, come along. We'd love to have you there. We put out a survey and you might have seen that and you may well have responded to the survey. Survey responses were amazing and we're actually oversubscribed from those surveys responses. So the people who have said, hey, I'm going to come along at the survey, there's going to be some people that are going to miss out because there's only a set number of tickets that we're going to be able to have. But what we're going to do is we're going to do a welcome evening, which will be super fun. We'll have some canapes and drinks, so have a couple of drinks on us. We'd love to meet you, meet all the team. The whole team, pretty much the whole team, will be at the event, which will be a great way for you to engage with the team. We'll have lots of industry people there as well. You know, of course, all your colleagues from other workshops, come and meet other Workshop Software users. We're going to have a full packed day. It's going to be a Thursday evening. Friday is going to be the conference day where we're going to have super cool info for you, some great insights into Workshop Software, some great insights into where we're going. We might even have a couple of super surprises for you on that day as well. So lots of exciting things going on. I love you to come along. It's the place is going to be at Penrith Panthers. It's the world of entertainment. It's actually really exciting. We went out there last week. It's an awesome venue. There's so much stuff on there. There's so many things that you can do. If you want to do a few extracurricular activities, there's aqua golf, there's jet skiing, whitewater rafting, there's go-karts. There's all sorts of stuff in the nearby area or really adjacent to the actual facility itself. You're also at the foot of the Blue Mountains, so if you're coming from maybe interstate or from, you know, even around New South Wales and maybe stay for the weekend and go up to the Blue Mountains, a beautiful place to visit. So really recommend that you come along. Love to see as many Workshop Software users as we can get there. If you visit the website, you'll be able to register now. Registrations are open. Love to have you there. There are a limited number of early bird tickets. So love you to book and love you to come along. It's going to be a great value day and the evening beforehand. We're actually going to guarantee it as well. So if you don't think you got great value out of the day, let us know and we'll refund your ticket price. So we're so confident that it's going to be such a great day that we're going to guarantee the ticket. Love to see you. Can't wait for next year, early March next year. All the details on the website. Check it out. Love you to register. Bye.